Alright, welcome back to the channel, folks. In the world of rifle cartridges, you've got flashes in the pan, and then you have living legends. Every year, some new wonder caliber hits the scene, promising physics-bending ballistics and laser-flat trajectories. But through all the noise, one cartridge has stood the test of time as the undisputed king. It's a quiet professional that served on every continent, in every major conflict, and has put more venison on the table than just about any other round in history. That cartridge, of course, is the .308 Winchester. Born from its military brother, the 7.62 by 51mm NATO, the .308 is the gold standard by which all other full-power rifle cartridges are measured, and the reason for its incredible, decades-long reign comes down to one simple, beautiful word: accuracy. Today, we are going on a quest for that accuracy. This is our definitive list of the most accurate .308 rifles you can buy in 2025, and I can promise you, the rifle that landed in our #1 spot is going to make you rethink what's possible. We're about to explore the firearms that can squeeze every last drop of precision out of this legendary cartridge. If you believe in timeless performance and want the kind of knowledge that lets you make a confident, educated decision, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're in the right place. Number 7. The Ruger American Predator. Kicking off our list at number 7 is a rifle that single-handedly blew up the idea that you need to spend a small fortune to get incredible precision. The Ruger American Predator. When Ruger first launched the American Rifle series, it was a shot across the bow of the entire industry. They built a rifle on a foundation of smart engineering and hyper-efficient manufacturing. The Predator model took that concept and refined it for the shooter who demands more, adding features that were once only found on rifles costing 2 or 3 times as much. Historically, Ruger has always been about building tough, reliable, and affordable firearms for the average American. The American Predator is the modern peak of that legacy. The rifle's accuracy is built on a trifecta of smart design. First, the power bedding system, which uses integral steel blocks to completely free float the barrel. Second, a crisp, user-adjustable marksman trigger. And third, a cold hammer-forged barrel, a process famous for creating exceptionally consistent and durable rifling. Look, it's a no-frills workhorse, but every single component is designed with one goal in mind: precision. The result is performance that punches way, way above its weight class. The Ruger American Predator is on this list because it is the undisputed king of budget accuracy. It is the platform that allows a brand new shooter to experience sub-minute of angle precision without breaking the bank. And that makes it one of the most important .308 rifles on the market today. Its primary advantages are its unbelievable performance for the money and its light, handy profile. It's a rifle you can carry all day in the field and still trust to make that perfect shot. The main drawback is its very basic synthetic stock, which can feel a little flexible, and a bolt action that, while perfectly functional, lacks the slick, refined feel of its more expensive competitors. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is around $639, but you can often find them on the street for between $550 and $600. An incredible bargain. Number 6. The Aero Precision M5. Coming in at number 6, we're shifting gears from bolt actions to the world of modern semi-automatics with the Aero Precision M5. For a long time, the AR-10 platform, the original semi-auto home for the .308 Winchester, was a very expensive and often finicky animal. Aero Precision, a company with deep roots in the aerospace manufacturing world, completely changed the game. They applied their expertise in high-tolerance machining to create components and complete rifles that offered custom-grade quality at mass production prices. They have almost single-handedly democratized the high-performance AR-10. The accuracy of the M5 comes from the company's obsessive attention to the fitment between the upper and lower receivers. They are designed to lock together with incredibly tight tolerances, creating a rock-solid foundation for the barrel. Aero also produces their own excellent barrels and free-float handguards, ensuring the whole system works together in perfect harmony. Whether you build one yourself from their top-notch components or buy a complete rifle off the shelf, the M5 platform gives a shooter a semi-automatic rifle with accuracy that can truly rival bolt-action guns. The Aero Precision M5 is on this list because it represents the absolute pinnacle of value and performance in the semi-automatic .308 world. It empowers any shooter to own a sub-MOA capable AR-10 without having to spend $2,000 or $3,000, which is a phenomenal achievement. The pros are its exceptional accuracy for the price, its near-infinite modularity, and the outstanding quality of its core components. On the downside, as a direct impingement rifle, it's going to need more cleaning and maintenance than some other designs. And its mil-spec trigger, while totally reliable, is usually the first part owners choose to upgrade. A complete Aero Precision M5 rifle typically has an MSRP starting around $1,500, with real-world prices often landing between $1,300 and $1,600 depending on the exact build. Number 5. The Tikka T3x CTR. For our number 5 spot, we have a rifle that has become the benchmark for affordable excellence. A firearm with a bolt so smooth it feels like it's gliding on ball bearings. The Tikka T3x CTR, made in Finland, in the same legendary Seiko factory. Tikka rifles have a deeply ingrained history of world-class quality and precision. The company's philosophy has always been to offer the performance and tack-driving accuracy of a high-end Seiko rifle, but in a more utilitarian, function-first package. The T3X Compact Tactical Rifle, or CTR, is the ultimate expression of that philosophy. The heart and soul of any Tikka is its action. It's a push-feed design that is machined to such incredibly high tolerances that its smoothness is the stuff of legend in the shooting community. This buttery smooth action is then mated to a semi-heavy, cold hammer-forged Seiko barrel, which is renowned for its consistency and accuracy. The CTR model then adds a 10-round steel box magazine, a threaded barrel for suppressors or muzzle brakes, and a factory-installed Picatinny rail. All of this comes in a rigid, upgraded stock that is a significant step up from most factory offerings. Tikka even puts their money where their mouth is. They guarantee that these rifles will shoot a 1-inch 3-shot group at 100 yards, right out of the box. The Tikka T3x CTR is on this list because it represents the point of diminishing returns in bolt-action rifles. It offers the performance, the feel, and the guaranteed accuracy of a rifle that could easily cost twice as much. That's why it's a perennial favorite of serious hunters and competitive shooters alike. Its advantages are its world-class, silky smooth action, a superb adjustable trigger, and its documented, out-of-the-box accuracy. The main con is that its proprietary magazines are pretty expensive. Beyond that, it is genuinely hard to find a flaw in this rifle. It's an outstanding piece of machinery. The MSRP for a Tikka T3x CTR is around $1,250, with a street price that usually holds very close to that number. Number 4. The Bergara B14 HMR. At number 4, we have a rifle that brings the feature set of a custom precision build to an off-the-shelf production gun. The Bergara B14 HMR. Bergara started out as a high-end barrel manufacturer in Spain. They built a world-class reputation for producing incredibly accurate barrels for other gun companies. When they finally decided to build their own complete rifles, they applied that same obsession with quality to the entire platform. The B14 HMR, which stands for Hunting and Match Rifle, was engineered from the ground up to be a true hybrid. A rifle that's equally at home ringing steel at long distance, or waiting patiently in a hunting blind. The soul of the HMR is its stock, which features a solid aluminum mini chassis molded directly inside the polymer frame. This provides a completely rigid, unbendable platform for the action to sit in, eliminating the variables and stock flex that can kill accuracy in lesser designs. The stock is also fully adjustable for cheek weld and length of pull, allowing the shooter to achieve a perfect, custom fit. This is all paired with the famously smooth B14 action, which is based on the Remington 700 footprint, and a world-class Bergara barrel. The Bergara B14 HMR is on this list because it delivers a full suite of custom-level features in a production rifle. Its adjustable chassis-style stock and its premium barrel provide a foundation for accuracy that is simply unmatched at this price point. Its biggest advantage is that incredible feature set. From the adjustable stock to the AICS magazine compatibility and the superb trigger, It's a rifle that is ready for serious long-range work right out of the box. The main drawback is its weight. At over 9 pounds, it's a fantastic range rifle, but it can be a heavy burden to carry on a long backcountry hunt. The MSRP for the B14 HMR is approximately $1,250, with a street price that usually settles between $1,100 and $1,200. Number 3. The Christensen Arms Mesa FFT. Climbing to the number 3 position is a rifle that leverages cutting-edge technology to deliver both feathery weight and pinpoint accuracy. The Christensen Arms Mesa FFT. Christensen Arms were the pioneers in using carbon fiber for rifle barrels. It's a technology that allows for the creation of a barrel that is just as stiff and accurate as a heavy steel bull barrel, but at a fraction of the weight. Their company history is one of constant innovation, always pushing the boundaries of what is possible in a lightweight hunting rifle. The Mesa FFT, which stands for Flash Forged Technology, applies this lightweight philosophy to the stock as well. The FFT stock is an ultralight, yet incredibly rigid carbon fiber platform that provides a stable home for their precision-machined action. The rifle features a superb match-grade trigger, a removable muzzle brake, and of course, a button-rifled, free-floated barrel. Christensen Arms guarantees sub-minute of angle accuracy, a promise of serious precision in a package that can weigh as little as 5.5 pounds. The Christensen Arms Mesa FFT earns its spot because it masterfully solves the classic trade-off between a rifle's weight and its accuracy. It is a rifle you can carry up a mountain without feeling it, and still have absolute confidence in its ability to make a precise shot at extended ranges. That makes it one of the most advanced .308 rifles available. The pros are its incredibly light weight, combined with its guaranteed sub-MOA accuracy. It is a beautifully crafted rifle built with top-tier components from muzzle to butt pad. The main con is its price, which places it firmly in the premium category. Some shooters may also find that the recoil from such a light rifle is more noticeable, though the included muzzle brake does a great job of taming it. The MSRP for the Mesa FFT is $1,600, with real-world prices staying very close to that figure. Number 2. The Daniel Defense DD5V4. Our runner-up at number 2 is a rifle that represents the absolute pinnacle of combat-proven, semi-automatic precision. The Daniel Defense DD5V4. Daniel Defense forged its reputation by building uncompromising, bomb-proof components and rifles for the most elite units in the U.S. military. Their no-compromise philosophy is baked into every single part of the DD5V4. This is an AR-10 platform rifle that has been engineered from the ground up for absolute reliability and extreme accuracy under the harshest conditions. The heart of this rifle is its cold hammer-forged barrel. It's a process Daniel Defense has mastered, and it creates a barrel that is incredibly durable and capable of stunning precision. The DD5 also features a unique 4-bolt connection system that secures the barrel extension directly to the upper receiver. This creates a much more rigid and stable platform than a standard AR-10 design. It comes factory-equipped with a Geissele 2-stage trigger, a free-floated M-lock rail, and fully ambidextrous controls. The result is a rifle that is both a thoroughbred marksman's tool and a rugged go-to-war fighting machine. The Daniel Defense DD5V4 is our number 2 because it is arguably the most accurate and reliable factory semi-automatic .308 rifle on the market, period. It is the choice for the shooter who demands the absolute best in a semi-auto platform, whether it's for competition, defense, or hunting. Its advantages are its military-grade durability, its exceptional out-of-the-box accuracy, and its premium top-shelf components like that Geissele trigger. The primary disadvantage is its cost. It is a significant investment. It is also, by nature, heavier than many bolt-action rifles. The MSRP for the Daniel Defense DD5V4 is $2,750, and you can expect to pay that full price due to extremely high demand. Number 1. The Springfield Armory M1A Loaded Precision. And now, we've arrived at the number 1 spot on our list, the rifle you won't see coming. When we talk about the most accurate .308 rifles, our minds naturally drift to modern bolt actions in chassis stocks, or high-end optics-ready semi-automatics. But sometimes, the most impressive accuracy comes from the place you least expect it. Our number one rifle is a piece of living history, a direct descendant of a legendary American battle rifle, reborn as a modern precision instrument. The number one most accurate .308 rifle of 2025 is the Springfield Armory M1A Loaded Precision. The M1A is the civilian version of the M14 rifle, which itself was an evolution of the iconic M1 Garand. It is a design of forged steel and beautiful wood, of operating rods and classic iron sights. In its standard form, it is a fantastic, utterly reliable rifle, but it's not typically known as a sub-MOA tack driver. The Loaded Precision model, however, changes the entire game. This version is bedded at the factory into a fully adjustable, high-precision stock. It features a medium-weight, air-gauged National Match barrel for maximum consistency, and a two-stage National Match trigger that has been tuned by hand for a crisp, clean break. These are the exact same kinds of upgrades that military marksmen and armorers were doing for decades to accurize the M14. But now they are available straight from the Springfield factory. The result is a classic American battle rifle that can produce breathtakingly small groups, rivaling, and in some cases, even beating modern bolt-action rifles. The Springfield Armory M1A Loaded Precision is our shocking number one because it completely defies all modern expectations. It takes a 70-year-old design one renowned for its reliability, but not its surgical precision, and transforms it into a legitimate modern marksman's rifle. It is absolute proof that a classic design, when built with meticulous care and modern upgrades, can achieve a level of accuracy that is truly unbelievable. Its pros are its incredible accuracy from a legendary platform, its world-famous reliability, and its low-felt recoil thanks to its gas system. The main cons are its weight and its complexity. It is a heavy rifle, and it is more difficult to disassemble and mount modern optics on than its AR-10 counterparts. The MSRP for the M1A Loaded Precision is around $2,200, with a street price typically between $2,000 and $2,100. So there you have it. 7 incredible rifles that demonstrate the amazing accuracy potential of the .308 Winchester. From budget-friendly marvels to high-tech lightweights and reborn classics, this list proves that no matter your budget or your shooting style, there is a .308 rifle out there that can deliver breathtaking precision. The enduring lesson of the .308 Winchester is that a well-designed cartridge, when paired with a quality firearm, is a truly timeless combination. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think of our number one pick? What accurate .308 rifle do you think is a hidden gem that deserves more recognition? Share your knowledge and your opinions in the comments section below. Your insights are what make this community the best on the internet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into precision rifles, please give this video a like, share it with a fellow shooter, and of course, make sure you are subscribed. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.